The science of brown fat, unlocking the secrets of weight loss. Are you looking for a smarter way to manage your weight? It turns out the secret might be hidden inside your own body. Let's explore the fascinating world of brown fat. Number 1. Brown fat versus white fat. There are two main types of fat in our bodies, white fat and brown fat. White fat is what most people think of when they hear the word fat. It stores excess energy and contributes to weight gain. Brown fat, on the other hand, is specialized to burn calories and produce heat. This is known as thermogenesis. Number 2. The biology and function of brown fat. Brown fat cells contain more mitochondria than white fat cells, giving them their distinct brown color. These mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell, responsible for burning calories to generate heat. In cold temperatures, brown fat is activated to help maintain our body temperature. Interestingly, brown fat is more abundant in babies and tends to decrease as we age. But don't worry, adults still have some brown fat. Number 3. Brown fat and weight management. So, how can brown fat help with weight management? Studies have shown that people with higher levels of brown fat tend to have a healthier body weight and a lower risk of obesity. When activated, brown fat can burn up to 300 times more calories than white fat. Researchers are now exploring ways to activate and increase brown fat levels in adults, potentially unlocking a powerful tool for weight loss. Number 4. How to boost brown fat. Want to boost your brown fat levels? Try these tips. Want to boost your brown fat levels? Try these tips. 1. Exercise. Regular physical activity has been shown to increase brown fat levels. 2. Cold exposure. Exposing yourself to cold temperatures can activate brown fat and increase its calorie burning capacity. 3. Diet. Some studies suggest that certain foods, like capsaicin found in chili peppers, may stimulate brown fat. Conclusion. There you have it, the amazing science of brown fat. As researchers continue to uncover its secrets, we might soon have a powerful ally in the battle against obesity and weight gain.